Apple, MANH, Microsoft and Amazon. Which one is buy or sell? Apple Incorporated AAPL News Fundamental Analysis. Apple continues to dominate the tech industry with its strong product ecosystem and robust financial performance. Recently, the company has been in the spotlight due to its latest product launches, including updates to the iPhone lineup and advancements in wearable technology like the Apple Watch. These innovations are expected to drive revenue growth, particularly during the holiday season. However, Apple faces challenges such as ongoing supply chain disruptions and global chip shortages, which could impact production timelines. Additionally, regulatory scrutiny over App Store policies and antitrust concerns remain key risks. Fundamentally, Apple remains a powerhouse with a market cap exceeding $2.5 trillion. The company's services segment, including App Store, iCloud, and Apple Music, continues to show impressive growth, contributing significantly to its revenue diversification. Apple's strong cash position, consistent dividend payouts, and aggressive share buyback programs further reinforce its appeal to investors. In summary, while Apple's long-term outlook remains positive due to its innovation and financial strength, short-term headwinds like supply chain issues and regulatory pressures could create volatility. AAPL Technical Analysis. When we look at AAPL stock in the daily time frame, we see that buyers are weakening and sellers are getting stronger. The current price of the stock is $245.55, SMA 50 is at 240.69, and if AAPL is cut below 240.69, it may fall to $219. Those who will trade in AAPL should be careful. Manhattan Associates, MANH, News Fundamental Analysis. Manhattan Associates is a leading provider of supply chain and inventory management solutions. Recently, the company has benefited from increasing demand for its cloud-based solutions, driven by the digital transformation trends in retail and logistics sectors. From a fundamental perspective, Manhattan Associates demonstrates strong financial performance, with consistent revenue growth and improving profit margins. The company's solid cash flow and balance sheet further enhance its appeal to investors. While global supply chain challenges and economic uncertainties pose short-term risks, MANH's innovative solutions and industry leadership position it well for long-term growth. MANH Technical Analysis. When we look at MANH stock in the weekly time frame, we see that it has fallen below SMA 200. If MANH stock continues to remain below SMA 200, it will fall to $155 and $140 as I shared in the chart, and we'll search for a bottom there. When we look at its RSI, it is about to fall below 30. It would be better for those who have MANH stock to be a little more patient. Those who do not have MANH stock and want to buy new stock can catch the opportunity to buy at the bottom point if they wait a little longer. Reserves. The company's consistent dividend payouts and share buyback programs further enhance shareholder value. While macroeconomic challenges and competition in the cloud space exist, Microsoft's innovation, strategic acquisitions like Activision Blizzard, and leadership in AI via OpenAI partnerships position it well for long-term growth. Reserves. The company's consistent dividend payouts and share buyback programs further enhance shareholder value. While macroeconomic challenges and competition in the cloud space exist, Microsoft's innovation, strategic acquisitions like Activision Blizzard, and leadership in AI via OpenAI partnerships position it well for long-term growth. Microsoft Technical Analysis. When we look at the Microsoft weekly chart, we see that it is below SMA 50. If the price of Microsoft stock cannot rise above SMA 50, the price may fall from $408 to $350. The price of the stock may meet SMA 200 around $350. It may take support from SMA 200 and start an upward movement again. It would be appropriate to pay attention to the economic calendar and follow a path in light of the announced data. Amazon.com Incorporated AMZN News Fundamental Analysis. Amazon remains a dominant force in e-commerce and cloud computing, with its AWS, Amazon Web Services, segment being a major profit driver. Recently, the company has focused on cost-cutting measures to improve profitability, including layoffs and restructuring efforts. Fundamentally, Amazon continues to show strong revenue growth, particularly in AWS and advertising. However, rising competition in cloud services and regulatory scrutiny pose challenges. The company's investments in AI, logistics, and Prime membership benefits are expected to fuel long-term growth, while macroeconomic pressures and consumer spending trends remain risks. Amazon's market leadership and innovation keep it well-positioned for future success. Amazon technical analysis. Amazon stock's upward movement that started at $81.51 ended with profit sales at $242.65, and we see that it retreated to $216.58 as a result of the strengthening of sellers. They can meet with SMA 50 coming from below a $203.58 support level. Whether the stock will take support from SMA 50 is important. If we look at the daily time frame chart, it seems like the price will start an upward movement again from there as a strong support at $203. It is useful to be careful. Future news will give a direction to the price.